Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari reaction for another reaction video, and I'm here to react to the group EXO. And this is a music video to the song Tempo. Someone left a recommendation for me to react to them, and I am reacting to them now. And I do love me some EXO, okay? Even though they keep blocking my video, so hopefully they don't block this one. But I do love me some EXO. I really do like this group. This is Tempo. Dum 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 dum. Come on with the vocals. Tempo. Oh, this is a group Kai was from, they said. Yes. Yes. 오늘은 내가 캐리 도시나 사이의 케미 이미 나와 녹음 못 가 창피의 마부 어정쩡 업어버 할 필요 없다 고민 챙길 건 없이 네 손잡아 말래 네 가는 길마다 랩카페 돌러내 girl 백걸음이 남달라 지금 이 속도 맞춰보자 템포 Baby girl 아침을 설레게 하는 morning call 매일 봐도 보고 싶은 맘인걸 지금부터 나와 let's get down 모든 것이 완벽하게 좋아 Don't mess on my tempo. This group is one of the best. One of the best. EXO. Please. EXO, they're not ready for you. They're not ready for you. This group is one of the best. I love the group. And I think they also, did they perform? Where did they perform one year? Was it the Olympics that performed one year? And I recorded to it and they blocked it. Oh, it was so good. They tore that stage up. They tore that stage up. You should go watch their performance, guys. They tore that stage up. Hold on. I'm doing alright, baby girl, you don't know. Tempo, tempo. Leaning on my shoulder. My heart. Like a wave. Forever like this. My tempo, my tempo, my tempo, my tempo, 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 my tempo. They better use them vocals. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Yes. Ah. Dum dum. Dum 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 dum. My tempo, my. Don't mess on my tempo. Don't mess on that. Don't mess on my tempo. Don't mess on my tempo. Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, 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 yes. That was the group EXO. That was a music video to the song Tempo. I like EXO. I really do love that group. Like I said, they're very good when they perform live. They destroy the stage when they perform live. Thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this song. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. For everybody else, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And apparently, I'm not doing this enough, but I really like, subscribe, and share, you guys. It's your choice. It's free. Do it or you don't, but it's free. Apparently, I don't do that enough in my videos. Someone pointed out. I was like, okay. My subscribers is going up. It may be, it's not like a lot like most people, but it went up. But like, share, subscribe. It's your choice. It's free. But for everybody else, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for coming back, commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing, and leaving suggestions to what to react to. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye.